Hello friends, today we are going to learn about our input command. This is the last and final session of PyLearn. Now we are going to learn about the input command. Let me first tell you what is an input and what is an output. So input is like a messenger. Let's say I send you a message hello and you reply with a feedback as hi. Now your hi message is an output for me, where I am receiving data from you, and my message hello is an input for me because my data is going to you. Now we do the same with the system. So let's say your system with the screen or the monitor is telling you, it's giving you data that I am typing hello. Now my keyboard is sensing an input that I have typed the letters H, E, L, L and O. This was the input from me by pressing these keys, and you are getting the output by your screen that I have typed these letters. Now let's start with a simple example. So we make a variable name and we set it to an input with a message, what is your name? Then we print that. So print name is equal to name, the name is, and we join it with the name variable. Done. Let's try. So first it asks me for the name. I put her now and the name is her now. Okay, now that we have got clear with this example, we will start with a simple rock paper scissors program. Let's start. So let's divide it into three parts. One is what the user is entering, second is what the computer is selecting, and third, who wins or loses. Now let's start. So first we have to put the user's input. So user selection is equal to input and the message as what are you selecting. Next we need the computer selection. So computer selection, that is a random. Now we have libraries for mostly everything like total or a random. So over here we are going to import the random library. This will let us use the random function, random dot random and brackets. So 1 to 3. So we are picking a random number, either 1, 2 or 3. Now these are numbers. We want it as a letter. So let's put it if computer s is equal to rock. We put this in quotes, then then make another variable which is computer s to rock. Elif, that is else if computer selection is equal to 2, then it is kept as paper. Else it is stored as just to make sure, we will set it. So we will display what is the computer selection. Let's try to run it. What are you selecting? I am selecting rock. So it gets the computer paper. So I lost. Now I will do a welcome message. Watch this. Here I have made a welcome message which will explain the rules to the user, making it more user friendly. So R is for rock, P is for paper, S is for scissors. Let's try to run it now. Welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Choose your selection as follows. R is for rock, P is for paper, S is for scissors. You will be playing against the computer. What are you selecting? I'm selecting rock. Now that is saved in the thing and it took scissors. So I won right now. Now we don't have to print this and we are going to keep our space here. Okay. Now we have to start with the branching, where we have to make a mechanism who wins and who loses. So let's start with that. So first, if. Now for each of them we'll have, like if either one took rock or one took scissors, one took paper, one took paper, or one took rock. Using that we make some conditions. Now to simplify it, we'll shorten it. So actually there's a whole reason why I'm doing it like this. You get on it. So I'll make a small code and will show you. Here, now we are going to focus on the code line 21 and 22. This. Now, what is happening here? So we are comparing what the computer got and what the user got. And with that, we are going to declare that who won and who lost with a end message of what the computer chose. Now using this, each for rock, each for paper, each for scissors, as I said, we are going to make all the code. There are simpler ways to do it, but they are quite complicated. So I am going to show you that. Here we have this following code from line 21 to 26. Now what is happening here? So we have kept three conditions in which the computer has only taken rock and the user has taken some other functions, that is R, P and S. Using that, it declares whether it's draw, won or lost. Now for all this, we are going to keep for papers and scissors. So let's copy paste it. We have the rock paper code where the computer takes paper and the scissors code. Okay, let's try it out now. We go to run and we have some syntax errors. Let's try to find it. So it says that we are missing equal to sign, and the reason is that we have made a syntax error. What we have done is we are trying to set the variables instead of sensing that they are equals to. So what we have to do is put double equals to check that both are not setting the variables. Instead they are comparing. So let's do it. Okay, now let's try to run it. We still have some. Here we forgot the semicolons, and we also have to keep an else condition here. So we put the else, because this excludes it from every other condition. We could have also shortened the code by keeping the losing condition, by leaving the losing conditions here. That could have shortened the code. So let's do that. The code feels much shorter now. Let's try to run it. Here we go. So choose your selection as follows. R is for rock, P is for paper, S is for scissors. You will be playing against a computer. Good luck. What are you selecting? Comment your selections below and tell me if you won or lost. Let's keep rock. Okay. Draw. The computer chose R. So the computer and I both chose R. Let's try another one. This time I keep scissors. You lost. The computer chose R. That is that the computer chose rock and we chose scissors. Now it's very hard to determine whether it's rock, paper or scissors. So we will be changing that. Here. Now let's try the code. Choose your selection as follows. I am taking scissors this time. You lost. The computer chose rock. Let's make another one. Okay. What are you selecting? This time paper shall win. You lost. The computer chose scissors. Okay. Let's take rock this time. You won. The computer chose scissors. Scissors needs rock. So now we have understood all the functions of random, that is gradient, and the input command. I hope you understand this tutorial, and there is a fun exercise.